Hello, good morning, good evening, wherever you are, developers out there and customers. This is Michael Mullings, CEO and founder of ChatFlow. I'm so excited to be here. The last time we spoke about features and development updates was about 2 months ago, and we've made so much progress since that time. And I'm so excited to share with you some new features we've worked on. And I know you guys are excited to hear more about the progress we've made thus far. So let's jump right in. So firstly, we're going to take a look at some new fields and features that we've done, and we're going to start with the chatbot itself. So I'm going to jump right into that screen here. And since the last time we spoke, we've added a new host of features, as I mentioned, to the design tab. We've added a new settings tab, and I'm going to get into the different features and how those work and how those will help to improve the experience of your customers and the overall look and feel of your chatbot on your particular website. All right, guys. So the first thing is, from a design standpoint, we've added the ability for users to now upload a branded logo for their particular chatbot on their website. So that's a new feature that we've added, and I think it's really going to add to the look and feel. We've completely redesigned the chatbot in terms of what version 1 looked like at the time of our launch when the MVP was out, compared to what we have now. We now have a whole host of branded features on the chatbot, including an online status to ensure that everyone knows that your chatbot is online. We've added lead capture form that you can see on the right, and I'm going to show you how that is customizable. And of course, we've added the option to book a meeting, so in case of those types of businesses that are consultant based, you can set up your booking link right in the chatbot itself, and you'll be able to have your users use that, and you'll be able to continue your booking process without changing anything on your website. So let's jump right in. So right now I don't have a logo set up, and I'm going to go ahead and set a logo for my personal chatbot on the ChatFlow website. So it's as simple as this. Select your logo like that, resize here, click save, and it shows up in the pane on the right to give you an idea of what that looks like. We're going to go ahead and click save, so all our changes are shown on our main page whenever a user visits that page. So that's adding to the look and feel of the chatbot itself. And I'm going to add an image of what it used to look like here, so stay tuned for that. All right, so moving on now. So we've added a little bit more look and feel and more customization, a little more personalization, a little more professionalism to what the chatbot looks like when visitors come to your website. The next new feature we've added into the settings page right now is the lead capture form. And what with the lead capture form, you're now able to collect contact information from your users, so you can best contact them, whether you have a callback process and you want to track that information so you can give them a callback immediately or at a later date outside of your operating hours, so you can keep in touch with that customer. You're able to have that option and functionality here. So how does this work? It has three input fields. It's the heading. Well, you can change what the heading of the form looks like. So for me, I have it as contact form, and then you can ask them to enter the name. You can change what that field looks like in terms of the heading, the email, and the phone number, which are important points to identify the customer or the visitor to your website, so you can have that data to, of course, contact them at a later time that's more convenient if they prefer a phone call or an email. So once you're able to edit your form here, you'll be able to get this preview to see what it looks like. So we're going to go ahead and edit the form. So you can see all my changes are being done in real time here. You can put name, just the full name. Give me, see the full name here. Put email, address, whatever titles you guys need to use here to make it look a little bit more professional and with the tone of your particular brand style or business. So once our changes are done here, we can see everything is updated and we're satisfied with that. We can go ahead and click save. But one more thing I want to show you guys is that you can set at what point in time do you want the lead capture form to be displayed in the chat itself. Is it after the first message and or after the welcome message? So normally what I would advise is after the first three messages, depending on the customer issue, you'd want to prompt them to that. I'm going to go ahead and save that chain because I didn't do that before. So what we'll do is we'll go to our actual chatbot page itself on our main website and take a look of what that looks like when a visitor comes to the website. All right, so now we're on our main website and we're gonna start having a conversation with the bot itself. As you can see, our logo has been updated, so we're seeing that now in chat. And we're gonna have a conversation. And we did set it to 3. Scale services. Forgive me, guys. I am typing too fast. Let's see what happens here. Right. Okay. Cool. Okay. So how much does this cost? And this is all based on the responses of the total conversation. So now we're seeing the Let's Connect form being displayed here. You can see it was able to tell us the cost of the plans, and how I set it up is that for enterprise users, they need to book a consultation to ensure that we are offering them the right plan for their business, and so they understand the benefits. Of course, they can also go to the pricing page, which is right here, provided as a nice link, and they're able to fill out that information. So I'm going to go ahead and add some details here. I consent, I click submit, and we get that nice, lovely confirmation that our message or our contact details were submitted. I'm gonna tell the bot thanks. Appreciate this. I'll get in touch. Whoops. I am typing too fast, guys. It will figure it out. It's smart enough. I'm not even gonna fight. All right. So while it still has my contact information that I've submitted, it still allows me to have a secondary option, which I can go to that contact form to get more details. So we're able to, one, still have the conversation, still show that the contact form is still displayed after 3 total messages between a user and a chatbot, and we're able to proceed with our day after getting the information we need, which I think is beautiful. So what we'll do now is go back to our dashboard. So we're back to our dashboard. So the next most important feature after the lead capture is the appointments booking. So say for instance, you're a consultant, your lawyer, your doctor, your dentist office, and you want to be able to book your users directly in chat without the customer or patient doing too many clicks. They'll be able to have that option in chat directly. So how does this work? You'll be able to set up your own URL as it relates to your favorite booking app, whether it be Calendly, Zoom, Teams, etc. Whatever it is, and even if you already have a booking link on your web page, you can add that URL there. So I've already added my booking link here where users or customers can come to the website and book a demo for ChatFlow. So I'm going to go back to the website page. I'm going to click on that link and show you guys what that looks like right now. So using the same conversation, I can click on that booking link and it will bring me to a new tab, which brings me to the ChatFlow booking page. I'm using Setmore. It's a really good SaaS application. So if you don't have a booking platform already, this is not a paid ad, by the way. I'm just really impressed with what they provide, and you'll be able to see all the booking details about ChatFlow, and you'll be able to click book, and you'll be able to go through the process and set up a booking with us to book a demo so you can see more with ChatFlow. Really, really love this SaaS product. Setmore, excellent. You guys should check them out as well. So yeah, it's pretty as simple as that. We provide the option for your users to book in chat and be able to book demos, classes, etc. write in chat without having to navigate the whole sections or sitemap of your web page to get to that information. I think that's a really neat and handy feature for consultants and doctors' offices, etc. All right, so great. So we're going to head back over to the dashboard to look at the updates from the lead capture as well. So now that we're here and we're able to have the users submit their information through lead capture, we need a positive, clean way to track our leads. So in our lead capture form here, we're able to look at the different leads by chatbot. So for those of you who are on the enterprise plan, you may have different chatbots deployed in different um, configurations. So you'll have the option to select between your different chatbots under your paid account, of course, and then you'll be able to see those leads. And then more importantly, you'll be able to export those leads so you can add them to your CRM and update your customer service sales pipeline, forgive me, if that's the way you're doing your sales right now once you've contacted the customer, or you're being able to qualify those leads. So it will export as a CVS and you'll be able to add that to your CRM. So I think that's a beautiful feature to help businesses who want to stay in direct contact with their users and be able to coordinate, managing leads as best as possible and keeping in touch with their customers. So that's just some of our big updates that we've done in the last 2 months. We've also improved our liability shield and of course the overall UI of our chatbot to make it more aligned with the brand image and professionalism needed for when persons go to your website to get that needed support. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching and sticking with me through this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, or you can give us a call or reach out to us to book a demo at any point in time. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good one.